Welcome back to Day 2 of our Windows 10 and 11 operating system guide for 2025. If you followed along yesterday, you already know how to turn on your PC and use the desktop. Today, we're going to walk you through setting up your Windows computer properly, so it's secure, personalized, and ready to go. Step 1. Connect to Wi-Fi. To get started, click the Wi-Fi icon in the bottom right corner of your screen. Select your wireless network. Enter the password. And click Connect. A reliable internet connection is important for everything else we'll be doing today. Step 2. Check for Windows updates. Next, click the Start button, type Windows Update in the search bar, and press Enter. Then click Check for Updates. Install any available updates. It's important for security, speed, and compatibility. Step 3. Personalize your desktop. Want your computer to feel more like your own? Right-click anywhere on your desktop and choose Personalize. From here, you can change your background, colors, themes, and lock screen. Choose a style that suits you. Step 4. Set the correct time, region, and language. Go to Settings, then click Time and Language. Check that your time zone and region are correct. You can also change the display language or add additional keyboard languages here. Step 5. Sign in with a Microsoft account. To unlock full features like OneDrive, the Microsoft Store, and file syncing, go to Settings, then Accounts. Sign in with your Microsoft account or create one if you don't have it. This connects your PC to the cloud and helps keep your files safe. And that's it for Day 2. Your PC is now connected, updated, personalized, and linked to your Microsoft account. Great job! In Day 3, we'll explore File Explorer and teach you how to manage your files and folders. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a step on your Windows journey.